We talk life insurance around here a lot, and that's something that a whole bunch of y'all need to go ahead on and do. I'm gonna have to put some links down in the description or something. Hey, snitches deserve ditches out here and on toll on pimping. Um, if you have gotten insurance for you and your peoples, oh, listen, make sure you get life insurance on your baby mamas and baby daddies. Don't slip. Hell, if you can, get some insurance on your haters or your ops. But listen, if you have a life insurance, you might want to check your life insurance policy. Depends on who you got the life insurance from. Here we go.
The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office says a 37-year-old woman was arrested accused of insurance fraud. The affidavit says that she provided fraudulent documents that showed that she sold more than 700 policies to employees from different companies. News4Jax reporter Bree Isom joins us live. Bree, this all happened about 2 years ago?
And the lawyer that I talked to says it probably took officers so long to arrest this woman because these types of things happen all the time, unfortunately. Jacksonville Sheriff's Office says 37-year-old Shawana Williams was arrested February 11th after she provided documents showing that she sold 746 Aflac policies to 192 employees from 14 different companies.
Aflac policies. She sold Aflac. If you got Aflac policies, please call your supposedly provider, which is Aflac, to see if you really have a policy with them people.
In the affidavit, it says all of those documents were fraudulent. The affidavit says most of the companies don't have employees. Some of the individuals listed as company owners didn't even have companies in their name. The affidavit says she filed insurance for dead people, also insurance for employees that turned out to be family members.
These policies were bogus. These individuals didn't even know they had policies. Some of these companies didn't even exist.
So you said that you see a lot of these sorts of crimes happen.
You say a life insurance in Tennessee. If y'all need some life insurance in Tennessee, hit up Lisa in the comment section or something.
We do.
John Holzbauer is a lawyer not affiliated with this case. He says, unfortunately, insurance fraud happens a lot.
There was a tremendous commission at stake. Hey, just fill out these.
I said Lisa, I meant Leslie. My bad.
Applications. You get a commission, and we're talking about a large sum of money in excess of $120,000 over 11 months.
The affidavit says Williams also received an additional $3,000 for these contests.
There's a lot of evidence to incriminate her now.
It sounds like there's a lot of evidence. Whether it's incriminating or not, it remains to be seen. If there's other actors involved that were taking advantage of the defendant. We'll see. Who wrote those applications? Are they in the defendant's handwriting? Does the defendant have some kind of alibi or to put distance between her and these applications?
Meaning, can they prove she was the one who sat there or sat down with the people and made the fraudulent policies? Can they prove that it was her?
All that stuff's got to be sifted through page by page.
Yep.
And now this lawyer says that this woman, if she's convicted, could face up to 30 years in prison. I'm reporting live in Jacksonville. Bree Isom, Channel 4, the local station.
She ain't gonna do nothing. She is not gonna do nothing. That beautiful baby. Hold on. Let me get that sugar. That beautiful baby ain't finna do nothing. A slap on the wrist. You cannot deal like with policies anymore. You can't deal with money anymore, like money transactional type of jobs, stuff like that. No. Slap. You can't do any of those. We're gonna put you on 3 to 6 months probation. We're gonna give you community service, but we're gonna allow you to do the shit at the church. Don't even worry about it. Talk to your pastor. Go ahead and let them just sign them papers. Just make sure you wear a kind of short skirt for pastor. You know what I'm saying? And you might got a hug pastor because just how you look make me think that you got some nice sized breasts, so just put them breasts on a player. You know, that but y'all got to know how to work the system. But they ain't finna get that baby nothing, and the people's not finna get their money back. I promise you that right there. Say, Rob, say a handsome baby. Listen, damn it, is that a lace front with an invisible part? I have no idea, but she look angry. Like she looked mad on her Instagram photo. This is the photo for the resort. So she looked like she wasn't supposed to get caught. I don't. Or hell, maybe they caught her on a Friday. She about to go on handle that business, and they, interrupted the baby or something. And that's not right. You say the cussing pastor, that probably who she need to go around there and get her her community service papers filled out and stuff like that. Listen, we got to get the lights up over 300. Please get the lights up over 300, or do the super chat or the Cash App, PayPal. I need your support, as we be around here saying. So just to keep y'all on the up and up, please, please, please get your policies checked, and not just an Aflac policy. Every policy that you have, you better check it with the corporation. You better check that with the corporation. Stop letting people tell you, oh, yeah, you got a policy and you ain't talked to the corporation. Because if I'm not mistaken, people still go door to door to door to sell you policies. They do. You just need to not get caught slipping. You need to make sure that these people is on the up and up. So when your people die, the check can clear. Well, if they don't want to clear the check, you can sue the shit out there and get a bigger check. I'm just trying to tell you something. Moving right along before we go on to get into the main event, because we got a